How to disable HDR mode on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Click on your profile located at bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on three lines located at top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up, which is settings and activity. Scroll down in settings and activity. Click on data uses and media quality. Then you will find HDR option in here in this way, which is disable HDR video playback. Simply turn that on. Make sure black circle is in the right side. After you turn that on, you will be able to disable. I added the overlay because that setting is not available in my country. It may be available in your country. And this is how to disable HDR mode on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.